Welcome to watch the introduction video of the fully automatic carton packaging beverage packaging machine. 1. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the great features of a fully automatic carton beverage packaging machine and its importance in the beverage packaging industry. 2. Automatic filling. The fully automatic carton packaging beverage packaging machine uses advanced automatic filling technology to ensure that each drink can accurately reach the preset capacity. Whether it is juice, milk, or other beverages, filling can be completed efficiently without wasting any liquid. 3. Automatic molding. The machine is equipped with an automatic forming function that quickly converts flat cardboard materials into the unique Tetra Pak shape. This special form of packaging is not only beautiful and elegant, but also minimizes the use of packaging materials, thereby reducing the impact on the environment. 4. Automatic sealing. The fully automatic carton packaging beverage packaging machine also realizes automation in sealing. Whether it is small batch or large batch production, the sealing work can be completed quickly and accurately. This not only improves packaging efficiency, but also ensures the sealing and quality of the packaging. 5. Environmental friendly. As a carton beverage packaging machine, the fully automatic carton beverage packaging machine integrates environmental protection concepts into all aspects of design and production. The use of paper packaging materials reduces reliance on traditional plastic packaging materials and actively contributes to environmental protection. 6. 304 stainless steel material. It is worth mentioning that this machine is made of all 304 stainless steel, ensuring its durability and hygienic standards during the production process, making it your reliable production partner. In this video, we just briefly introduced some of the main features and advantages of the fully automatic Tetra Pak carton packaging beverage packaging machine. If you have any more questions,